Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome back to another video. And right here by this 2002 Ford Thunderbird with Jaguar components, and we're going to take off, and Jose or Yui or whatever we call him, he's going to actually demonstrate it. Now, if you ever come up with a used Ford Thunderbird, you want to look in the glove box to see if you've got that tool, because on the front there are two, what is that, a Torque Star, whatever you call it, and it says it's made in Germany. Imagine that. Jaguar is English, and we're using a German tool to remove two bolts off of an American English car. Whatever. But anyway, I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to show you as he's doing that. There's the two bolts here, and then there's two levers here that you release, and then you lift the top up. So without further ado, Mr. Yui, let's get started. And I'll take the camera and I'll show you where it's at, folks. And it's right here, right up in there. Now, some of you probably will come up with some sort of a powered way of doing it. I don't know if I would recommend that, putting it back on. Let's see, did it come loose? I don't think it came loose.
Yeah, she's loose.
Okay, and we'll go to the other side. Go around here. Oh, he's got to come to this other side? No bolt?
No. She's all the way in there. I don't think that one was screwed in all the way.
Oh, the driver's side one?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
This one, she's right in there.
Push up and see if it... Huh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you can feel it? Okay. And then behind the seats, folks, there's a lever on the top that you pull this direction. That's loose. We'll go to the other side. And then I'm going to put the camera back on the stand, because it's going to take two of us to lift the whole top up. And then I happen to have, because I have Mercedes SLs, I just happen to have a stand in the garage. So, oh yes. Oh. Well, it's loose from the front, but oh, here's that one. Okay.
So you
gotta go all the way back. Oh. Okay. Madison, can you bring that stand with?
got a little more weight than the other one.
Yeah, bring it. Let's just set it out here further now. This is a long ways to go, and oh my goodness. We'll just set it over here. Just happen to have one of the hardtop stands. Okay, turn it around. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I gotta say, the R129 is a lot lighter than that one.
Uh-huh.
Well, There's some paint fade, actually. I might be able to buff that to make that match. Okay.
And this guy just pulls up.
No. So now we gotta have the key. And let's just see if the soft top comes up. It's actually a button.
What? Wow, that's
Ah, there we go. So we fit it into the, I gotta fit it into the pinhole.
in the pinhole.
Okay. And then this goes, oh, it catches.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Ho, 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 ho.
That's actually easier.
That part, folks, is easier, and looky there.
Oh, easier.
Okay, so now we'll release the top because I know my wife would like to drive her car with the top down, so she better go get her driver's license to go drive around town here. All the paperwork is in the center console, even with the updated insurance cards. But I think what I'm going to try and do, folks, I'm going to see if I can buff while Mr. Jose is working on the 280 SEL. I think I'm going to try and buff this to see if I can get those two to match. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put the top back down, and got to get a picture of my wife with clear. Oh, I need a pull.
Oh, that is kind of nice. Just seen that.
All right. Alrighty. So there you have it, folks. That's actually, didn't show you where it clamped, the hardtop clamped. I'm wondering, I didn't see, I wonder if we can buy, you know, a tonneau cover for this, but pretty nice. Thanks for watching. More to come on this car, but the soft top actually works. Hit subscribe if you haven't. Share with your friends. Comment below. Going to continue to work on this car. Thanks for watching.